So, you've developed an incredible enterprise application. Nice. That's just the beginning. Now you need to distribute, update, and support it in complex customer-managed Kubernetes environments, quickly, securely, and reliably. Traditionally, that's meant cobbling together generic open-source projects or building your own Kubernetes-based installer. Your app becomes hard to set up and support. Luckily, there's a better way. Replicated is redefining how ISVs distribute software with a platform that optimizes the entire deployment lifecycle. Define how you want it to run. Easily manage your app, including releases, customers, licenses, channels, pre-flight checks, support bundles, and instance insights. And your customers can consume your software that's ready to be installed and run in even the most complex environments, including air-gapped, so your team can focus on efficiently building, selling, and supporting your software, and you can leave the distribution to us.